Okay, today I'm unboxing the Xenvo Pro lens kit and glow clip LED light. I got this to basically make my camera make wide angles. So anyway, let's check it out. Anyway, awesome box if you're into packaging. What do we have here? Xenvo, a little pouch. This looks like the lens, pretty cool. Something to clean it with. Boom. Important. Read this blah 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 before you start. Okay, fine. And it's weird because it's a USB thing, which I won't be doing because why do that? And then we have our instructions. So I'm not going to look at that right now. Let's take a look inside what's inside the package. Pretty cool little carrying case, very protective, strong. Lanyard, which I don't know why you do that, but okay, well, yeah, here's a real lanyard. That's a carabiner. Lanyard, I guess if you want to put that around your neck, pretty cool. Bonus little light. You can always use more like 1, 2, 3 settings. On, off, clip on. Great. Okay. Can go there. What else we have? We have this looks like it. The lens fits on it, and a USB cable. Which, yeah, we all have a million of these, right? So who cares? But let's check out the lens. It says macro on the bottom, wide angle on the top. 2 protective covers. Okay, so I don't know if you can see through there, but it's a little heavier than I expected. I guess this is quality glass, but I suppose this clips into here. Let's hopefully it's easy. Okay, there it is. And oh, there we go. So that's it. Pretty cool. Now, I guess if you screw this off, you have a macro. So, yay, macro lens. Might play with it, might not, we'll see. And then screw that back on. There you go. Clip in here now. I have a phone over here that maybe I can real quickly see what it looks like. So here is my screen. And let's see if I can get this on here. Okay, now is that any wider? My phone's blurry, but that's not the lens. It's because the camera in here is messed up. So let's see, I'm gonna screw off the wide. Well, trying. Screw off the wide, and it's lined right up. Oh, well, it doesn't help that it's in selfie mode. So yeah, there's wide, not wide, but zoom. It doesn't really zoom that much, but, and let's go ahead and screw this back on. Now there's wide angle, and there's regular, and there's wide. So it helps out some. Probably the further away, the better. Close, regular, close. Anyway, I'll have to play with this a little better. This seems really cool. I'm excited. It's a little heavier than I thought, but everything seems really good quality. And don't touch that like I just did. But yeah, there it is. I'm excited to get to start it out. Hey, if this video was helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.